we're going to be talking about the nervous system, and our intro is going to be about neurons. In that picture we just saw, a guy was getting really annoyed of an annoying fly. So his ears sensed the hearing, and he sent that signal in a specific frequency for your brain to integrate what that is. After the complicated process of integration, which I am not going to get into today, it will send a signal to your muscles to start motor input. A motor input is just your brain sending a signal to your muscles to tell them to do something. In your nervous system, there are two types: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is just your general nervous system in your brain, and peripheral nervous system is like your muscles. Just know these are not all the parts of the nervous system, so just know that. Neurons, the type of nerve cell. This right here is a neuron, and these are glial cells. Glial cells are cells that surround the neuron of the center of the nervous system, embedded between them, providing both structural and psychological support. Types of glial cells can be astrocytes, microglial cells, and oligodendrocytes. No, very hard to pronounce. First on our list is astrocytes. Astrocytes act as anchors, both keeping the structure okay and also protects the nervous cells. Microglial cells act kind of like repairmen, fixing any type of damage done to the nervous cells. Oligodendrocytes, they kind of act like armor or a barrier for the nervous cells, kind of like a human shield or something. You could think of it that way. Our types of neurons we're going to be looking here today are bipolar, multipolar, and unipolar. First up is our bipolar cells. Bipolar cells are usually, most of the time, found in your eyes. Dendrites on opposite sides and an axon in the middle. Not really in the middle, but right behind the dendrites. And then there's a nucleus in the middle. Multipolar is considered the most common type of neuron in your brain. Has dendrites at the top around the nucleus, and at the bottom there's a singular axon. Our final last type is unipolar. Unipolar has the very similar structure to bipolar, except like the nucleus is like sticking out, but the dendrites and the axon are like exactly the same. Now you're probably wondering, how do nervous cells send signals? Well, that is a story for part 2. That's gonna be for today, and bye.